Hello guys, in this video we are going to have a look at how the bulk hard drives come into me. My supplier has just been round and I have got 3 boxes of hard drives, and today we're going to look at how they come to me. Today I've spent about £2,000 on hard drives and one PC we're going to have a look at in a later video. But yeah, let's have a look how they get into me and how they end up on my selling group and how you guys buy them. Well, this is just a full disclosure on how the hard drives come to me, packaged very well. Let's get to it. So here they are, the 3 boxes of hard drives and the PC we bought. So we're going to look at this one first. Now I have already opened this box. They do come stacked like this, all nice and neat. But I have already unpacked this box. This is how they come to me. So this is a 1TB Seagate drive. This is quite a new Seagate Barracuda compute drive. Toshiba. Another desktop 1TB Seagate drive. Again, another Seagate desktop hard drive. I think these are the ones. Yeah, these are the ones. Again, another one. They all come sealed as well, guys. Oh, these ones. Oh, this is an 8TB Western Digital drive. The dates are really good on these as well. 2020, nearly brand new. Again, that's 2019 drive, Western Digital. This is an 8TB Barracuda compute. Same again, 8TB compute. And same again. This is an Ironwolf Pro 8TB, and we are going to be taking a look at one of these because these are really expensive drives. Again, another Ironwolf Pro 8TB, and that's the first box. Okay, so moving on to the second box. A 4TB Barracuda compute. Again, another 4TB Barracuda compute. 4TB Western Digital. Again, another 4TB Western Digital. A 4TB Western Digital Red. Same again. A 3TB Western Digital Blue. A 3TB Western Digital Blue again. A 3TB Red Western Digital. And same again, a 3TB Red Western Digital. Alright, let's have a look at the third box. Okay, so this is the third box. And these are the 2TB because these are the ones that actually sell the best. Because not everyone has like over £100 selling a hard drive. The 2TB are on at £30 and these sell the best. So we've got a Seagate desktop 2TB. Same again. Same again. Same again. Same again. We have a Toshiba. Another desktop Seagate. A 2TB Western Digital Blue. Another Seagate, but it's a different kind. A Seagate desktop HD again. The same one as the last ones. A Seagate Barracuda. another Seagate desktop HD, another Western Digital Blue, another desktop HD, another Seagate. I think most of these are Seagates. Western Digital Blue, another Seagate HDD desktop, another Seagate desktop, another Seagate, and who would have guessed it, another Seagate, and finally another Seagate. So this is how they come to me, guys, in a box like this, all nicely packaged, ready to go. Because I buy in bulk, I do get a discount, and when I sell them single, this is where I make my money, but you guys get your great savings. So this is just how they come to me, so you guys know. We are going to have a quick look inside this. We are going to do a transformation build with this, so I will open that up right now and show you what's in that. Okay, so inside that PC, I did pay £145 for this. It does need a bit of work to get to gaming PC level. It has an i7 3930K underneath the Intel stock cooler, 4GB of RAM. This is an X79 Intel Extreme motherboard, so that's really good. It comes with a 500GB hard drive, 4GB of RAM, so we will need more RAM, a GT610, a DVD drive that no one really cares about these days, and this power supply will need changing out because this is a 400W power supply, which does have the connectors for a graphics card, but anything too powerful, this guy's not going to handle it, so we'll need to set that out, but we will do that in another video. And there you go, guys, that is how the hard drives come in. I do get some systems now and again. The supplier does come around between once or twice a week. This is actually quite a small order this time, because it was just a top up for my other stuff I've already got, and stuff that I've run out of this week. Like I said, the PC, we will be making it into a gaming PC, but I just wanted to, for the first time ever, show you guys how these hard drives come in. I do bulk buy them, and I do make a little bit of money on each hard drive that I sell to you guys, but that's just to keep this going. If you always look on my selling page, I always beat online prices by actually quite a lot. So this is just to show you guys how stuff comes in and the way it's done. If you can like this video and give us a subscribe, and also share this and share the Designator selling page, that would help me out a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed on how the hard drives come in. Oh, another thing I'll add before I go, I never know what brands actually come in until they actually get here. When I actually order hard drives, I usually get told what capacities they are and how many there is. I don't actually get told what brands they are. So the Iron Wolves in there are probably the best drives, but they're like the look of the draw. I don't always get to pick what's coming in. You order by capacity when you buy in bulk, you don't generally pick what brand you want. So that clears that up as well. See you in the next video, guys. Subscribe if you like this video, leave it a dislike if you didn't like it, and I'll see you in the next one.